Hey everybody, today I'm going to make a Michelada cocktail and I'm going to use Clamato Juice. Try and find the one that says Preparado on here because that has it has some extra spice in it, some jalapeno chili peppers in it. Other than, well, you can go with the regular Clamato too. We're going to need a Cerveza. I'm going to use Dos Equis today. Need a little salt and chili powder to rim the glass with, and we're going to season it with Maggi Seasoning, and if you don't have Maggi, you can use a couple of drops of teriyaki sauce. And we're going to add some Worcestershire Sauce, some hot sauce. I'm going with Cholula, and a little bit of lime juice to brighten everything up. So let me show you what I do. I get a little salt to rim the glass. Just using a kosher salt. Going to add some chili powder to the kosher salt, as much as you like. I like a lot. We're also going to put some chili powder in the cocktail too. I'll leave that handy. Okay, this is my little method here. Let's use a little plate, a fork, or something under it to tilt the plate. I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice. If you have fresh lime, obviously. Get that in, get a shot there. Use fresh lime, obviously. You know, you get a better result. But right now we've got lime juice. I'm going to take my frosted pint glass, get it nice and wet here. And into the salt and chili powder mixture. Actually, I wish I'd put a little more chili powder in there. Give some nice color and flavor. Okay, get that rimmed up nicely. Put that aside. Yeah, there's ice in this beer cocktail. I'm gonna throw in I guess I'll throw a couple splashes of lime juice in first. Everything's kind of wet. This Maggi stuff is really potent, so go easy with it. I do like 3-4 drops. There's 4. That's it. That's all you need of that stuff. A couple of good shakes of Worcestershire. Just eyeballing it here. A couple drops of Cholula. But the Clamato Preparado is kind of spicy on its own, so we don't need a lot of hot sauce. And as far as how much Clamato, it's up to you. I mean, there are Micheladas out there that are just beer. They don't have any Michelada or Clamato. So I go about there. So probably a little more beer than Clamato ends up in there. Let's see. I think I got everything. Let me just give that a little stir. Misplaced my stir stick. Okay. I'm going to add a couple more cubes of ice. Put the beer in there. Oh man, this is so delicious. It's so refreshing. And in this pint glass, the way I do it, that bottle of beer will last me. It'll make 2 drinks. Let's get a little chili powder on top. Nice and pretty. And get out a straw. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. Lick that salt rim. It's so refreshing. I tried it with the Modelo Especial, but I prefer the Dos Equis. It's just a matter of preference, but you can see it's an easy drink to make. It's very refreshing. It's going to be a great cocktail this summer as the warm weather comes in. This thing rocks, man. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this and you'll try and make your own Michelada.